Have you ever experienced such a feeling where you are overloaded with thoughts and don't know what to do? Or such a feeling where fortunately all your desires are kept right in front of your plate. You are excited and still don't know what to do. Both of these feelings are classified as the act of being overwhelmed. Hello everyone and welcome to Detox. Those who are new, my name is Dia. I know I had been away for so long. My apologies. But here I'm back again with yet another interesting topic. With the question I put forward to you all earlier, you all might have definitely guessed the topic for today. We will be talking about the act of being overwhelmed, where we are completely submerged in our thoughts and emotions of all our life problems and are almost frozen or paralyzed. Why do we feel so? It is mainly because of stress factors like a demanding job, a toxic relationship, too many things to be done at once, so on and so forth. Major symptoms are of being anxiety that leads to overthinking, depression, verbal lashes, and even worse, harming yourself. Wait a minute. If you ever think about harming or hurting yourself, do look at my first episode about self-love. It will definitely inspire you to do something good to yourself. Most of us experience such feelings in our life because of the hustle bustle nowadays. And some of you all must be wondering, why am I talking about this? But I would like to say here is that we all know the problem of being overwhelmed, but we never try to find out that solution key for it and just think that it will pass by. So without a further ado, let us start with our today's relievers. First, it is okay to cry. If you land in a troublesome situation and if you cry for just 5 minutes, it will definitely vent out all your anger so that your mind is free and can handle the situation practically. A fun fact here, most successful people do practice this. Second is stop the art of leaving. Suppose you have 10 assignments to submit all at once. Most of us wonder, what if we leave 3 or 4 assignments? Anything will happen? Of course something will happen. It will definitely affect your productivity. Instead, you can devise a mechanism using time management skills and best by making a TT, that is a timetable. Third is calm thinking, which is opposite to overthinking, which means we tend to think about the future. What if I do this? Will it affect my grades? What will my parents think? Oh my God. Relax, people. Prioritize your work in an effective way by writing things down. Last but the most important, communicate or talk it out to the person whom you trust the most. Even if that person doesn't give you any suggestions, it will definitely make your heart a bit lighter. I hope these 4 relievers help you, make you more proactive, and you embark your journey to the bright future. Please let me know in the comment box what methods you all follow when you are in such situations. I will be back again with such interesting videos to inform you all with. Do like, share and subscribe to Detox. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye-bye.